Have you ever used your laptop and thought, I could really use another screen? Well, that's definitely happened to me, and the good news is I discovered a company called Mobile Pixels that has the perfect solution that easily attaches and detaches from your laptop and enables multiple screens. So they have a few different options available for a dual screen setup, which is what I have called the Duex Plus, and then they also have a triple screen setup as well if you need even more screen space. Today we're going to set up the Duex Plus on my laptop and test it out. First though, let's take a look at what it has to offer. So the Duex Plus model is 13.3 inches and is recommended for displays between 13 and 14 inches like mine. It has a 1080p Full HD screen with a built-in gyroscope that enables auto rotate, which is nice. It's thin and lightweight at only 1.3 pounds, but it is built with durable materials. It connects to either a USB-C or USB-A port, and it works with Windows laptops or Macs. It's also compatible with other devices too, not just laptops, which is pretty cool. You can use it with a Nintendo Switch as an additional screen, and you can use it with Samsung Dex if you have a device that supports it, like their Galaxy series phones. Now let's get to the unboxing. We'll get it out of the packaging here. First, there is a note about a setup guide that you can access by scanning the QR code or going to a website. On the back, it shows how to attach everything. Essentially, we'll clean the laptop, place the magnets on the laptop, center the monitor on the back of the display, and open the laptop, and then slide out the display and connect it with a USB cable. Pretty simple. Now let's go ahead and take the rest of the items out. On the display is a blue card, which is a template, but it has a note on it that if the monitor is brand new, like mine is, you follow that yellow card we first looked at to install. Looking at the display here, it looks good and feels solid. We can see the magnets on the back, which is how it attaches. And the display just slides right out. It looks really good. And here's the USB cable. And the instruction manual, alcohol pad, extra adhesives. Now let's get that alcohol pad out and clean the back of the laptop. You just want to make sure there's no debris and dust so the adhesive on the magnets can stick nicely. Then we'll go ahead and take the monitor and move the magnets all to the side closest to the display. And then test fit it on the back and verify we can line everything up as we need to. Then we'll take off the paper off the adhesive on the magnets. And carefully place it down on the laptop, ensuring everything is lined up and even. Then I'll go ahead and press it down to make sure it's stuck on really well. Then we'll go ahead and open up the laptop. And extend the new display. We'll take the USB cable and plug it into the laptop here. The new monitor powers on, and with Windows it defaults to duplicate the display, so we'll change that to extend the display. I'll rearrange the monitors in the settings here. And you can see the mouse goes back and forth between the screens as it should. It's really smooth and looks good. You can adjust the viewing angle of the Duex Plus, which is nice. I'll go ahead and pull up a YouTube video and check out the screen. And yeah, it works pretty well. Resolution is good and it's nice and bright. And then when we're done, we just unplug it and then slide the screen over behind the laptop. And there we go. Looking at it up close here, it looks really good. You can see it has two USB-C ports, one for power and data, and the other you can use to connect other devices to your PC. And it's a perfect fit on my laptop. Now, taking the monitor off the back of the laptop, it's held on tightly, but it's still fairly easy to remove from the magnets. And if you want, you can flip the screen over and have it go out to the other side. That's where the auto rotate is beneficial. Looking at the back here, I'm definitely a fan of this design. It also does have some buttons to adjust typical display settings like brightness, contrast, things like that. And yeah, I'm very pleased with it. It looks good and fits well. It seems to be high quality. There are no connection issues I've experienced, and I'm excited to use it. Now, they frequently have sales, but right now they are running a really good sale for the new year that ends on January 9th. I'll post a link in the description for you guys, but they're doing 50% off for the next few days. That brings the Duex Plus that I have to only $225, and that comes with free shipping. And if you want the triple screen setup, that's $416 after the 50% off. And honestly, either one you get, with all the features and functionality they offer and different ways you can use them, I think it's 100% worth it. Now, if you're watching this and they aren't running one of their big sales, they did give me a 10% off coupon code for you guys to use. That code is TechJeff, so that can give you some savings. But anyway, let me know what you guys think in the comments and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.